We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, I'm going to do a quick video on how to install a Stinger Streamlight LED. We're going to hardwire it into a 2008 FJ Cruiser. And basically what you need is the light. You need a drill bit, wire strippers and crimpers. This is kind of cool. Mini add a circuit, and you can add a circuit to your fuse box. You need some screws. This particular one is 45 millimeters. What we'll do is we'll start by cutting this wire here. We'll put the positive into the fuse box with our fuse relay, and then the negative will attach to a ground. You want to start by finding your mounting point. I'm off to here, to the left of the steering wheel. So basically you just pop this thing off. It's got 4 brackets inside. Just like that, and there's your 4 brackets. For this application, we'll mount it a little bit higher. Just screw a hole down into the bottom, and that cord will go into the fuse box. Now that we got these 2 holes drilled, that hole there, can cut our wire so that our wire can go through.
Have a little bit extra space to work, a little bit of wire to work with. Go ahead and slide that through, make sure it fits. Come on, wire. Easy.
Wires through. You have it. It's back through the back. Okay, so this is where we took the panel off. So we're gonna go down here, pop off our fuse cover. That's the fuse box that we're gonna tap into. We'll slide that on, slip our wire through. Just pop these back on. It's back in. Just like that. So we have the light mounted. The wires run through. Taking off the fuse panel. The dotted wire, we're gonna splice that into our add a circuit. We're gonna apply a 2 amp fuse. Then connect to a ground with the solid black one. Around that bolt, tighten it up, and we should be good to go.
Positive is our striped. Slide that in, crimp that down, pop that in. Okay. We got our 2 amp fuse. We can slide this wire through. Down here.
We went into the fuse underneath the 30. It comes on with the accessory, with the on and when the car's running, but it's off, as you can see, when the car is off. Let's go ahead and start the car. There it is. Turn it off, it goes off. Bingo.